India is the epicenter of instability, destabilization in the region, and that is part of their design, that is part of their strategic culture that they follow. So that is given. Now, the Indians didn't realize one thing, that have they succeeded? Have they succeeded in last 75 years plus? कि वो अफगानिस्तान के अंदर थ्रू दी प्रॉक्सीज ओवर देयर, through a lot of money that they have put, through a lot of effort, diplomatic, political, monetary, military, whatever they have put, have they been able to use the Afghans in that manner to create that sort of fragmentation and fragility in Pakistan? No. Why? Because one, we are a very tough cookie, Pakistanis. We are very resilient, one. Second is that there is something which cannot be underestimated and never should be underestimated. That is the Afghanis and Pakistanis are not only two Muslim brotherly countries. The people of Afghanistan, the bulk of the people of Afghanistan, there is a large population which are Pakhtuns, and we have the largest Pakhtun population in the world in Pakistan. There is lot of commonalities between the people of Pakistan and the people of Afghanistan. Language की commonalities हैं, commonalities in culture है, religious affinity है.